The last survey that we did have shown an increase in the homeless population. In every parish in Jamaica, we have what is known as a drop-in center. And in some parishes, majority of parishes, we have not only created the drop-in centers, but we have expanded the drop-in centers and we have created shelters where we encourage the homeless to come off the streets, go into these facilities where we provide medical care, 3 meals a day, clothing, a place to sleep. In the survey that we did, we discovered that a vast number of the homeless people have families. They come from stable homes. But there is family dispute. And these family disputes has resulted in some of them being turned out of the home and have to find a place on the streets. People must start to take personal responsibilities for their families. They go to Savlamar Hospital and they leave the grandmother and they go on cruise. They go on weekends and they leave them there and don't come back for them. And yet Mayor Delancey and the municipality is saddled with the problem of creating space in the infirmary to take persons who relatives take to the hospitals and abandon them. But ladies and gentlemen, all is not lost. Because already we now start to look at the law. And we are going to be taking steps to bring to books those persons who abandon their families